Okay, good evening, all of you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Javid, Sampath, Navodya, can you hear me?
yes, good evening.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. Thank you very much for participating in today's session. Actually, I think you know about the Tectra Academy, but before that run, I will give brief introduction about Tectra Academy and about me and the course. Actually, the Tectra Academy, we already started 2 years before, 2023, February 17th, we already started our Tectra Academy in Dubai. Why we started this academy? Uh, you know that in that period, there have some economical crisis in Sri Lanka, and most of graduates, most of professionals, they migrated to another countries like that. That period also, in the crisis period, I also migrated to the UAE, Dubai. That time, I had some experience because when I moved to Dubai in 2022, 2022, 3 years before. Uh, that time, actually, I came with some overconfident to UAE, Dubai, because I had some more experience. I mean, that 6.5 years experience in Sri Lanka in construction industry, and I had the National Diploma in Technology. I started in the University of Moratuwa, National Diploma in Technology. After that, I completed the Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, and I had that attested degree, everything, and I came to find a job very easily. When I was in 2022, I was very like some overconfident. I thought that I could find job very easily in UAE, Dubai, but unfortunately, I couldn't do that run because in that period, it's some peak summer period. I came with my wife also. Then there were more difficulties to me when I go for the interviews and how to find the interviews, how to find the companies. I didn't have any idea about it. And after some period, after that, some transition period, I got my first job after 1 month. Uh, I had some more experience for the facing interviews, and I had some experience with that in the first company, second company, third company, like that. That period, I thought that I have to do something because my passion is teaching. That is my passion. Therefore, I thought to that time I want to find some way to teach regarding this experience. That's why we started the Tectra Academy with my team. I started with the plan shift software course and some job searching, how to uh, prepare the CV, how to find the job, how to apply the job, what are the job searching apps, like that. I prepared some courses and free courses, free webinars, like that. We started with the Tectra Academy. My first course was plan shift software course. After that, we started with the civil QS course and MEP QS course. Now interior fit out, project management, MS project, Primavera, and now after that, last before 2 months before, we started the accounting course, high demand job in Dubai and UAE, like that. That's the history of our academy, and I and we have to discuss about our. You know about me that I discuss in our academy brief introduction. Same with my introduction also. Okay, and this is the first. Because I searched already, but we couldn't find that one specified for the landscaping QS. Landscape, that QS mean that we have to get more information and more knowledge about that all area for the civil, MEP, landscaping all together. But in these 10 hours, today we are doing the introduction only. We will go with that most probably in 1 hour, 1.5 hours only. This is the first day. That's why we mentioned as a first day pre-webinar, like open session. And they have some registrations also. We have that WhatsApp group. We will share the recordings. First recording we will share as an open recording. Then after that, we will share all things from our WhatsApp group only. Okay. These are first course specified for the landscaping QS. In this course, we will do what are the things, what are the items, because actually the quantity survey, estimations, quantity takeoff, everything you have more idea about it. But we have to identify in the interior fit out QS course also, we are doing like that. What are the specified items in there? You have to identify that items. Then after that, you have to go through the drawings. You have to catch that one and you have to grab that one, particular items like that. Then you have to prepare that your quantity takeoff, your estimations, interim payment applications, variations, anything like that. Okay. And in here, we will discuss about that plan shift software course as well as from when we are doing that run, we will do some mock interview session also. Mock interview mean what are the things that we have to do. We have to work on for the interviews, how to prepare the interviews. Then after that, after the registration within 2-3 days, you have to send your CV. If you have to get some reviews, and I will review that the CVs. If any corrections, I will inform personally what are the things that you have to correct in your CV like that. Okay. Now, before that one, I think you have some idea about me and about our academy. Before start our landscaping QS course, I have that presentation. I will discuss with that presentation. Before that one, I would like to know about yourself. Also, no need more information. I want to know about your brief introduction only. And then after that, we will move for our session. Okay. Javid, how are you? Can you hear me? Javid, you can unmute and you can tell about yourself. Okay, Sampath.
Yeah, good evening. I am Sampath. I am now working in the UAE as a civil estimator. Around 2 years now in. Okay.
Okay, welcome Sampath. Welcome Javid. Navodya.
Oh, sorry. Hi, Praveen. So this is my second course with you. First one is plan shift, and I did some work with that knowledge. And thanks to you. So I'm also in Dubai now. Nice to meet you again.
Okay, thank you, Navodya. Okay, let's go. Let's move our session. Actually, this is I discussed previously also. This is the first course for the landscaping QS course in Dubai. I think it's in the Dubai also, in our academy also. Okay, I will share the screen and okay. Landscaping works. Actually, why we have to discuss about the landscaping area? Because in here, in UAE also now, previously it's not like that. Previously, about in the construction period, that means more than 10 years, 15 years before, They already started the construction because 2000, I think 2009 or something, Burj Khalifa opened. Then like that period, the construction of the building constructions, infrastructure started. Mostly building started in that time. Then after that time it's not demand for the landscaping companies, landscaping QS, landscaping engineers. They have no demand in that time. But after that, when it is the construction developing and infrastructure developing, that time the concrete structures there, that other only concrete, it's like we are calling as concrete vanantarak කියලා අපි කියන්නේ ඒ වගේ. It's like some forest, but only the concrete only. It's only the buildings. That time, and the architectural designing and architectural purpose and the environmental, like sustainability development, they focus for the landscaping area also. Then started the landscaping. Most of construction companies, they moved to landscaping work. Some group of company, they have the construction, they have that all the things, all the procurement, all the hotels and other things with the landscaping company, because landscaping is vast area now and the developing in the UAE, Dubai, most of in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, there are more landscaping companies also. If you are moving to a landscaping QS, it's not called as a landscaping QS. We created that landscaping QS name only because it's a quantity survey in the landscaping company. That is the name we taken from the landscaping company and the QS. Both together, we are calling as a landscaping QS because I am working in the landscaping company. We are not calling as a landscaping QS. We are calling as a quantity survey, senior quantity, the same. But in construction company and the landscaping building construction company, they have MEP companies. They have a same as landscaping companies also have. Okay. In this content, in this in our first session, first day, I will share the recording also for your group. We will understand what is the landscaping and what are the benefits of landscaping. I will share the presentation also, and demand of the QS in landscaping industry now, and landscaping, what are the landscaping companies in UAE? Not all, but we will discuss what are the companies in there, and main landscaping projects in Dubai, and types of landscaping. It's called as a softscape, hardscape irrigation. These things we have to understand and we have to identify. Sampath is working as an estimator. When it is estimation for that landscaping project, we have to identify, because you know about the building construction, what are the items, everything you have some idea. Same as in here also, softscape, hardscape irrigation, and the lighting. So MEP, everything, it's including building. For example, we have a pump room. It's a building construction, not high-rise building, but is a building construction. And we have the lightings. It's a MEP. All together, it consists of the landscaping industry, landscaping projects. Okay. Actually, what is the landscaping? In here, you can see this is a photograph of the Miracle Garden in UAE. You can see they have some landscaping items, plants in there. In here also, they have some parks. What is the landscaping? Actually, why we need the landscaping, and what is the meaning of landscaping? As per the definition, landscaping refers to modify and enhancing the natural features of an outdoor area. It's like some natural features we have to plug with in the outdoor area, such as garden, park, public spaces, to make it more visually appealing and functional and sustainable. It uses various design techniques such as planting, hardscaping, and lighting to create an harmonious and attractive outdoor environment. Outdoor environment, we have to move. That's only, you know that in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, or anywhere, it's like a desert. Now desert moved to buildings. Then the spaces in between the buildings, some villa, some apartments, some malls, okay, inside and outside, they have the spaces there. Then they need to convert into a appearance. They need some appearance. They need some attractiveness because this is some tourism. It's like more tourist. It's like a hub. Okay, therefore they have to attract to UAE or Dubai. Okay, for that one, they need the landscaping. They are not coming for the buildings because buildings in everywhere. Okay, in Sri Lanka we have the natural resources like waterfalls. We have some forest, but in here, these all are artificial. But they move that one into a tourist hub. They move into a tourist hub in Dubai, UAE. Okay, then they created that spaces to a harmonious and attractive environment. Okay, that one benefits of the landscaping. Actually, landscaping, for example, if you are working as a, for example, in Sri Lanka, we worked in the water projects. We have done in the World Bank project. I moved to a World Bank project as a consultant. I worked in more projects in the water. It's in like some rural water supply projects we have done. In that period, we are calling as අපි සිංහලෙන් අපි කියනවා නම් කියන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ පිං රස්සා කියලා කියන්නේ වතුර දීලා අපි පිං ගන්නවා වගේ. Like that. It's like some how can I tell that it's for the benefit for the people. It's some benefit. They have given some benefit because it's not only the occupation, not only the career, not only our duties, but we are doing something like that. In landscaping company also, if you are working as a, I'm not comparing with the building construction landscaping. I'm focusing for the landscaping QS in this course. Therefore, I move to, explain and I will focus for the landscaping QS as a landscaping industry, landscaping company like that. There are some health benefits. Plants can help to improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen, which can improve health. And outdoor spaces, you can work, you can do the physical activities, you can no need to go for the gyms. You can walk, you can run, you can do some gardening work, and it is very good, and it will improve physical health and mental health. You can walk, you can run, because you cannot run in the desert. You cannot walk in the desert, but in some green area, you can move, you can walk, you can run. Okay. Then environmental benefit, you know about these things, and landscaping can have a positive impact on the environment by reducing erosion and the water, improving soil quality, other things. Trees and plants can help to absorb and filter rainwater, reducing runoff and erosion. Like that, they have some environment benefits also. I will share this presentation. No need to move more things about these benefits. Okay, economical benefits also, because Dubai, if it is a Dubai, only that Burj Khalifa building, only the that Burj Al Arab, only the Dubai Mall, only the buildings. If you have only the Burj Khalifa building, if you have only that Dubai Mall, Mall of Emirates, in Dubai, that circle, if you have only that items, it's not tourist attraction, or it's not economical benefit, because tourists must be visit. They will visit only for the Burj Khalifa, for the building only. No, they need to be relaxed in Dubai. That why they are moving to Dubai, to be relaxed, to get some fun. That economical benefit, it will become because of this gardens, parks, water features. Landscaping can enhance the value of the property by enhancing its visual appeal and improving its functionality. For the water features, they have some, you can see the water features in the Dubai Mall. Inside the Dubai Mall, they have a waterfall. They have some water fountains. That's all including in the landscaping. Miracle Garden. Okay. That's why the tourist will attract to Dubai because of the landscaping, because of the landscaping company. They will give some more support for that. Okay. Now, I think Sampath, I don't know about the Javed because I have no idea. If you can mention in the chat box about you. And Sampath and Navodaya, they have some idea about when it is applying to the construction companies, landscaping companies, or building construction company, MPP company as a quantity survey. You are working or you are searching job like that. You have some idea about the Indeed, about the LinkedIn, and how to apply the jobs and what are the job searching apps like that. You have some idea. Okay, now you can search now in the Indeed or LinkedIn or any other job searching app by using both job searching apps. What is the demand for the landscaping industry only? I'm focusing only landscaping industry in this course. Therefore, you can search. This is the green and more landscaping gardening. I will discuss what are the companies. There are more companies, but I will take some companies and we will discuss. Quantity survey for the landscaping. This is all from the Indeed. I take the screenshot from the Indeed. Okay. Green and more landscaping is in Dubai. Imaginary agriculture material trading quantity survey. They're asking for that agriculture mean it's some landscaping work. Abu Dhabi. Greenstone landscaping senior quantity survey. They're asking about to the Abu Dhabi. Landscaping quantity survey. Aquaword LLC. You can see Secret Garden LLC, quantity survey and procurement. They're asking quantity survey, cityscape like that. Landscaping company, Proscape, Lawnscape like that. More construction companies now they have one area, one department for the landscaping because of the demand and because of that because of the market. They need the landscaping projects. Okay. Now you can see landscaping companies in UAE. I taken that not all. This is the things that my first company is Omex Contracting LLC. It is my first company in here. It's a building construction company, villa project. We have done the villa projects. It's not a big company, but we have done that villa projects with the Dubai municipality. We have done. My second company is this Tulipa Landscaping LLC. It's a landscaping company. And I worked in 1.5 years. It's like we are doing the subcontractor as a subcontractor. Because in here, for example, we have more main contractors. They are doing the infrastructure totally. They are taken the infrastructure. For example, bridges, roads, everything. They are taken. Some of they are taking the malls. They are doing the mall works. Construction of malls. Inside of that one, they are not specified for the landscaping area, landscaping projects. Then they need some support. They need the subcontractors for that landscaping companies. Then Tulipa Landscaping, I worked in 1.5 years in there. And we have done the more projects in some 10 million, 5 million, 15 million, like that subcontract works we have done. And road, you know that in the Dubai or Abu Dhabi, they have some roads in between that 2 lanes or 4 lanes, that in between they have some trees, shrubs, ground covers. And because, you know, this is already, all area is a desert. They cannot use the plants. They cannot plant the trees. They cannot plant the shrubs. We have to arrange all the things, fertilizers, compost, and the soil, sweet soil, and the water. We have to arrange the irrigations, everything we have to do. Okay, that's why we have to identify what are the items in there. Then I moved to, actually that's before that one, I moved to Greenstone Landscaping Establishment in Abu Dhabi after that. Is also a landscaping company. The same time I got the offer from the Green and More also. But in that, when the comparison of the offers, then I moved to Abu Dhabi from the Dubai. Greenstone Landscaping also, they are doing that mainly basics for base for that parks. They have in Abu Dhabi municipality. Now they are working for the park constructions, 4 park, 5 park like that. Some rings they are providing with that apartment, near to apartment, villa projects, villas, because most of Arabics, most of UAE, Emirates, they are working, they are in, stay in Abu Dhabi area because of the capital city of the UAE. Therefore, we have done, they have the department of municipality or something, DMT, we are calling as a DMT in Abu Dhabi. And from that one, they are focusing for the, they have some budget, they have some allocated amount for that parks. Then they will give that the amount with the LOA. Then after that, they are doing the design and build projects. Design also doing from Greenstone Landscaping, and after that, the construction also doing by them. Okay. And from the fully, it's a fast track project, 6 months only, 1 year only, like that. Greenstone Landscaping Establishment doing like that. You can search about these companies for the landscaping, because I am focusing only the landscaping company. After that, 3 months before, I moved to Desert Group in Dubai again. It's from the Tulipa to Greenstone and the Desert, Dubai to Abu Dhabi, Abu Dhabi to Dubai, like that. And this one Desert Group also, they have some landscaping company under the Desert Group. And the swimming pool we are doing with the Desert Leisure, it's a swimming pool area. We are focusing on swimming pools, and landscaping also we are doing, but mostly landscaping. Then plants, we have separate some, we are calling as a Wadal Sara, that's sister company of, it's a Desert Group. Inside the Desert Group, there's one sister company. They will provide the plants for us, like that. That group of company, that's all together. Landscaping work we are doing separate. Green and More also same in the Dubai company. They have Royal Gardens also in Abu Dhabi. Basadin, they are working in the DMT projects in Abu Dhabi. Proscape and Green Dunes and Gulf Dunes, like that. There are more construction companies. Now they are moving to a landscaping companies. Okay, they moved to a landscaping company now because of the market, because they have more projects now in the malls, inside the mall, outside the malls, road constructions, and villa projects, and the park. Because now they need the environment, they need the sustainable development. Therefore, the landscaping companies, they need for that. Okay. Then you can see these things, you can search from the Google also. Main landscaping projects in Dubai. This is the Burj Khalifa. Inside the Burj Khalifa and outside, you can see there are trees here. There are water features here. There's some lake here, and they have some small pavings. You cannot see the pavings, but they have some pavings like that. This is mainly inside and outside. We have the landscaping work with the Burj Khalifa. You can see here, this is a Palm Jumeirah. This all is a sea. On the sea, they are providing some landscaping work, and they have some apartment, hotels, resorts, and the roads constructions, everything. Here, it's like some Nice place. When we are walking on there, and when we are seeing from like these images, it's very nice. And when you are walking, when you are going, when you are moving there, also nice places. Okay, you can see here that's beach resorts, beach hotels there, and these all things. Why it's very demand? Because apartment value also more higher because of the landscaping work, because of the green area. Okay, you can see the Miracle Garden now. I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, uh, they started as a 14th year. I think 14th time. They started Burj Khalifa. Sorry, Miracle Garden. You can see here they have the plants here. Okay, they have some retaining walls here. They have some pavings. Okay, there are more structures there. Building structures also there, including building structures. Okay, softscape, hardscape, irrigation, because this Miracle Garden also there is a desert. This is on the desert. This Dubai is like on the desert. Abu Dhabi or UAE, all Gulf countries are deserts. They have no. We cannot compare with our countries, Sri Lanka or any other Asian countries. Like we cannot compare with our countries and here. But they moved this one to more than our countries. They moved into a landscaping because they have no rain here. But without rain, without water, no, without rain, they created this area, created the Miracle Garden, because inside of this one, all the area it's full with the pipeline. Okay, the Miracle Garden, because without that one, it's not the artificial. This is all natural. It's not the artificial garden or artificial plants or trees or shrubs or ground covers, flowers. All are natural, but they are maintaining. They are maintaining with that water and with the temperature. And the global village also, you can see they have some plants. The global village means that they have more pavilions for all countries in Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, like that. They have more pavilions here. I think more than 27, or I cannot remember that the number of pavilions, but all the pavilions with their shops, everything it's there. And they have some activities here. You can see they have some activities, adventure activities there. You can see here we have plants, softscape, we are calling as the softscape, plants, ground covers, and they have some hardscape structures. You can see here the pavings, pebbles, and irrigation. You can see the black color line. It's water line, pipeline. We are calling as the drip tubes, and this is the line for that. Okay. Dubai frame. You can see here. This is a frame. You can go with the lift here. You can walk in here. Then after that, without this plants or without this landscaping, Dubai frame is only frame. Because why we are walking the desert and we are moving to here? No. You can take the pictures and you can do the barbecue, anything in this place. Okay. The plants, pavings, water features, everything, including the inside near to the Dubai frame area. Okay. Without that one, it will not worth, and it is not a tourist attraction without the landscaping. Okay. Now we will move for the types of landscaping. What are the types of landscaping? There were 3 types of landscaping. What is it? Softscape, hardscape, irrigation. Softscape, hardscape, irrigation. Okay. What are the includes of the softscape? We have the plants, shrubs, ground covers, lawn. What are things? You can trees, we can gas, or a bit of panati and live things. It's a softscape. We are calling as some live. It's a plants. It can be some shrubs. Panduru ground covers. It's calling as some small plants. It's covered ground. It's like some covering of the ground. Lawn is like grass. Okay, lawn is like grass. Then hardscape elements. It's like hard. It's you can see a softscape, soft items, and hardscape, hard item like that. We have that, you know, that in the Dubai we are using the roundabout area. They have some gravels. Parks we have the gravel. There are some types of the gravels also. We will discuss in the next sessions. And what are the plants, what are shrubs, then how to take off the quantity by plans if software. Like that we will discuss one by one. Before that one, I need to give some brief introduction about the landscaping industry. There are some pavings also. They have some paving types, P1, P2, P3 as per the sizes, as per the type. We can use some granite, you can use some marble, you can use some pebbles, like that. Then asphalt, heel curbs, these all are under landscaping project. Okay. Then irrigation, softscape to hardscape to irrigation. Okay. In the irrigation also, you know that we cannot work or we cannot do the softscape because hardscape is okay. No need the water for the hardscape. They need that foundation. If you need the road base or concrete base, or after that, the paving like that. But softscape, plant, shrubs, ground covers, lawn, they need the water as per their water demand. They need water. Okay. For that purpose, irrigation light must be some water features. If we have, we need the irrigation lines. We need the pumps. We need that MEP items. MEP means mechanical, electrical pumping, including in the landscape. Mainly for the irrigation, we need that from the pumps or any source. We need the main line. We need some distribution lines for the lateral lines and drip lines or drip tubes we are calling. Drip tubes mean that every plant, it can be trees, it can be some shrubs, it can be ground covers, it can be lawn. They need the water. For the water purpose, that contribution of the water, we need to distribute. Drip tubes we are using. It's you can see in the park area, small 1 inch or 1.5 inch small pipeline. It's like some black color or blue color, but mostly it's some black color line. It's a drip tubes. Okay. This purpose from the main line to lateral line to drip tubes, the water need to distribute to the softscape area. Okay. Now you can see here, we discuss regarding the softscape. It can be softscape. It must be change the softscape, soft items. It's like some plants. You can see in their trees, they have the trees. It can be tree types. Okay. As per the girth, as per the type of the trees, as per the height of the trees, the prices will be changed. Okay. Therefore, we cannot take, for example, we have the palm trees. Okay. Palm trees also, we have the sizes of the trees. Type is palm tree, okay, but there's some girth and the height. As per that one, the cost is changing. Okay. When we are working on the landscaping company, you have to identify the items because its names are not common. Common mean that is not familiar to us. It can be some Azadica, some Ruelia, Ciliosa, like that. It's some with the scientific names, common names, but it's not familiar to us. Okay, sometimes if it is not estimate or if it not take off the correctly, then it can be lost for your company. Sometimes they will drop off from the company also. Okay, like that. You have to be responsible. You have the responsible and you have to do that one. And you can see here, there are some trees and the lawn area. You can see shrubs, ground covers. And inside, we cannot see, but the water almost there, under there. Okay. These are plants, shrubs, ground covers. You can see here shrubs, flowers. Shrubs mean like some panduru. Abhi kena panduru kiyala. Ye wage. Shrubs. You can see in these are myriads. They have miracle garden photograph. It's already full with the landscape work. You can see here the water features here. They have some pavings here. Shrubs, ground covers, trees also there. Then under that, irrigation lines also there. Okay. You can see here the villa projects or any other house maintenance work, house projects. They have some services as well as the landscaping. You know that in Sri Lanka also landscaping company, they have architectural landscaping company. They are working for that landscaping working outside of the house, buildings, malls, or anything. Okay, these are softscape. Softscape, under softscape, we will discuss about the trees, ground covers, shrubs, how to take off the quantities by using PlanShift software. If you don't have the PlanShift software, let us know through the WhatsApp. You have the group, and after that, you can, if you are not registered yet, you can register through our link. We have that contact details everywhere in our Facebook, in our WhatsApp group. If you need any support or need anything to us, you can ask. Okay. Then hardscape, you can see here, this like hard items. Okay, these are almost hard items we are using for the interlock pavings. You know about the interlock pavings, and it can be some types, it can be sizes, can be changed. As per that one, prices will be changed. Okay, sizes as per the type, interlock paving, sizes, and the thickness. As per that one, the prices will be changed. As per that one, your cost will be changed. Then your BOQ rate will be changed. Gravel also, you can see there are some colors of the gravel, sizes of the gravel. As per that one, prices will be changed. Heel curbs, curbstones. They have a heel curbs, you can see here. They have a hardscape here and the softscape here. This is like padiyak dala wage. We have separations of there. And hardscape to hardscape also, they have some separations. We are using some aluminium edge, metal edge, plastic edge, like that. And these all are hard items. These are soft items. And irrigation. You can see here they have some irrigation lines. From the main line, we need the main line to distribution line. And after that, distribution line to drip tubes, because we need to, without the water, the plant cannot be live. Okay, plants cannot be live. Therefore, what we need? Okay, what we need? Actually, we need with that the water from the main line to distribution line. They have to distribute to here. They have to distribute to here. Therefore, we are using that lines. Not only the lines, we need some bends, we need some fittings. We need to control the water. We need some valves. We are calling as isolation valves, controllers, solenoid valves. Like that we need. Okay. From that one, we need the chambers, manholes. If we need the water from that any source, we need some pumps, pump room fittings. It's already including there. Okay. Now we are focusing in this course. This is the first day and the first introduction session for you. From the beginning, in this course, we will do with the PlanShift software. If you don't have the PlanShift software, let us know. And our admin also in that every groups, you can go with that admin. And if you need any support from us, you can ask. And one more thing, I know you have some idea about the Tectra Academy, how we are working. Okay, because no, this is not only like some lectures. You have the university, or you have that lectures. How will be happen? Okay, you know that lecturers and the lectures. This is not like a university lecture. We are focusing for one by one. Okay, if you have any doubt, don't think about others. In here, we are doing like two-way learning because you have more experience in the Sri Lanka. You have more than experience me. Okay, you have more than experience when we are comparing that you have more experience. I believe that in Sri Lanka, in UAE or any other Gulf country or any other countries, you have some idea and you have the experience. Then why I came to here, I want to learn something from you. From Javed, Sampath, Jazwan, Shan. I need to learn something from you. And I have something, okay, not more, but I have something to teach you. You can learn something from me and I can learn something from you. I need that one. That's a two-way learning. I need some support from you and I will give some support for you. Okay. Then if you have any doubts, don't think about others because all of us came to learn something and teach something. Okay. Therefore, please ask anything. Don't, because in the session, the first day session, only we will go with the 1 hour. Then in the next session, from the next session, most probably we will do nearly 2 hours from the next week. And if you need any support or if you need to ask anything, you can ask from me. Okay. Because you know that my passion is for the teaching. That's my passion. Then I like to and I love to teach. Okay. Therefore, if you have any doubts, anytime you can ask in our session. Okay. And the recordings we will provide and I will share to your WhatsApp group and you can get that, you can download and you can save it and you can refer anytime. Okay. It's like some lifetime you can work on it. If you need any support from our side, from our academy and from my side, I will provide. Okay. From the next week, we will share the dates. Actually, I will try to do in the next week because actually I am going to Malaysia on 7th to 16th. I will try to arrange that one before. That's why before that one, I started the course also. There's some tour to Malaysia from 7th to 16th. I will try my best to do that one in one session, but if it is not, we will do that one because we have only 10 hours only, 1 hour complete. But don't think about time. I will complete my lessons, everything. Don't think about the time. Don't think about anything. I will do my best because some of my past students, they know about me and about the academy also we will do. Okay. Javi, do you have any doubts? Sampath, do you have any doubts? Need to anything to add or anything? Okay, if you have any suggestions, because this is a first course in Dubai as well as our academy also. This is the first course from our side also. Therefore, if you need to add anything, if you need to do something, exercises or anything, tell me. When we are working on that one also, you can tell me. I can adjust that one. Okay. Sampath, do you have any doubts? So any suggestions?
Actually, Monday to Wednesday, I have some classes.
Okay.
It is Thursday or how it's
Yeah, mostly
you are
I
going to do?
try to do that in the Tuesday, Thursday. That's the 2 days, but we can arrange because that other courses also now ending moment. It's because interior fit out already that's already completed now. That newly,
Yeah, I also participated.
yeah. Then that other courses are mostly now we are going to, because it's not, we cannot clash on it. We will try to do that one in. I will check in the group. We will go with that Thursday, Friday, or Thursday, Saturday, or like that. We will do, no issue.
Okay.
Okay, we can arrange. Just one. Do you have any doubts? Sean, do you have any doubts? Okay, just one. We have the interior fit out course also, and you can. Okay, I will share my number also. You can take if you have. If it is okay, if you not, you can take my number and you can send WhatsApp message to me. Then I will share the details about our other courses also if you need. Okay. Here, Sean, do you have any doubts? මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Just one, you can take the number. Then you can send WhatsApp message. We can discuss regarding the other courses. And if you like to join, send us a message. Okay. I will share the recordings to group. I will edit the YouTube also. Then after that, I will share with you. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can contact me. We have the admin also. She will manage that if you have any doubts, and we can solve from our side, from our academy. Okay. Thank you very much for participating in today's session. We already discussed about the landscaping things, and this is our first course in Dubai, the landscaping US course. Okay, then thank you very much. Before that one, is it possible to take some screenshot? If you have, if you can, you can on the video if it is possible. If it is not, it's okay. And only for take a screenshot, because this is the first time we started our academy with the landscaping QS course. If you can turn on the camera, and we can get the some small screenshot, and for the some like a memory for us. It's okay. Thank you very much for participating in today's session, and thank you very much for all of you. And I will share the recordings, and I will. If you need any support from my side, send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, thank you very much, and good night, all of you.
Thank you.